shoot. Big circle, little circle. It looks real to me. Don't be too crazy, come on. Oh, shoot. Very good. Oh. Uh-oh. Let's go. Nice and easy now. My favorite color is teal. Favorite band, the Beach Boys. However, my favorite song is was it "Walking on Sunshine" by I think Russell Crowe. I'm walking on sunshine, oh yeah. Anyways, where was I? Oh yeah, hobbies. I like to make money. I like to. That's about it actually. So anyways. How about I take that rag out of your mouth and you tell me a little bit about yourself, huh? But don't scream, otherwise I'm gonna have to give you a knuckle sandwich. All right, let's take that out. Shh, be quiet. You are not gonna get away with this. You panini head pea brain idiot. You're an idiot! To think you're gonna get away with this! I'm a professor! A professor! You're stupid! What are you? Oh, more Joffy. That's Jack and coffee. Hey, boss. What? Could I borrow you for a second? This better be important. They done. With what? It away. Really? Hector, does it look good? Yeah. You look good. Really? Yeah. Nice. Alright. What are you, Hey. Buckle up, Buttercup. I'll be back for you. Alright, I'm coming. You can't leave me here! Hey! Alright, what do we got? Your teeth? That's all fake? Yes, sir. Hector, that looks like 225. 225? You see it? Are you see? Oh, I'm gonna try it. Can I try it? Yeah. Yo. Oh wow, very good. This is awesome. 225, ready? Explosive 225. Explosive. Very strong. Let's try. Skull Crushers 225. Yeah. Oh, so
Wait, Hector, ready for this? Throat choke at 225. Sit up.
Oh, look at that.
Okay.
Oh, big man.
Okay. All right. Hector, this is incredible. We're gonna sell so many AlphaLordX programs. All the little stupid little kids are gonna buy this. They're gonna be like, I wanna be strong like Chuck. They're gonna give us all their money. But best of all, we're gonna get so many followers on Instagram.
Oh, wow.
Imbecile! You're not gonna get away with this! You're an imbecile!
Oh, I forgot to put the sock back in his mouth.
Oh, I forgot to put the thing in there.
Yeah. Go plug him up.
Yeah, I'll go plug him up.
Oh, wait, Hector. I got an idea. Wait, bring him here.
What?
Go get him and bring him here. I got an idea. It's gonna be so funny. He's gonna freak out.
Oh. Okay, I do.
What are you doing? What are you?
Come with me, come on. Okay, boss, I bring him. Here, DB.
You invalid!
You like making noise?
You're not gonna get away with this. Shut up. Bring him over here. Sit him down right here. What?
Come on, let's go.
How much? What? No. Wait, what are you doing? Wait. Shut up. Wait. Hector, tape. Give me your hands. Give me your hands. Give me your tape. What? Shut up. All right. I'm gonna give you a lift off now, okay? It's gonna be okay. I'm your spotter. Wait, what are you doing?
Okay, easy
It's
now.
too much weight.
225.
It's gonna crush me.
Ready?
I'm gonna get crushed.
In 3.
Please, no. Please, no, please.
What? It's funny. Hey.
You see the look on his face?
No, please, 225 is too heavy.
You got me the kiss again. Get back up. Hey, he's getting away.
Take it off. Right.
All right, Nick Geezer. Oh,
I need some more Johnny.
Geezer.
Squeeze it. Alright, they're a little lumpy. It's okay. Olympic lift. Okay, ready? Ready? Olympic lift.